Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakar Kadash. Double honors to the elders who preach his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I'll say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a news article, was recently, as of January 30th, 2023, at 4:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is published by Christian Aldias, if I pronounce his name right, from the Market Watch. And it reads, the United States stocks in lower. The Dow Jones snapped a 6-day winning streak as Fed's decisions look looming. And it says the U.S. stocks in lower Monday with the Dow Jones Industrial Average snapping a 6-day winning streak as investors brace for an outcome of the Federal Reserve 2-day policy meeting in a busy week for company earnings reports. The Dow Jones DJIA closed 0.8%, which is, I believe, negative 200 and something, with the S&P 500 fell 1.3%, and the technological Latin, if I pronounced that right, NASDAQ Composite, the COMP dropped 2%, according to the preliminary data of the fact sector. The central bank meeting wraps up Wednesday with the Federal Chair Jeremy Powell scheduled to host a press conference on its interest rate decision that same day. And keep this in mind too, as the meetings of the Federal Reserve this coming Wednesday, and the stocks and markets, they react to what's major announcement of the Federal Reserve is going to make, if they're going to continue to decrease the interest rates, along with the if it's going to affect the economy as well too. So definitely keep that in mind. Continuing on reading, energy was an S&P 500 worst performing sector on Monday, followed by information technology. And I'm gonna read it again. It says Wednesday's the Federal. It says central bank's meeting wraps up Wednesday with Federal Chair Jeremy Powell scheduled to host a press conference on its interest rate decision that same day. Energy was the S&P 500 worst performing sectors on Monday, followed by information technology. So as you see, the markets has crashed along with the Dow Jones Industrial Composite and the S&P 500. They all fell today. They had a 6-day winning streak, which is surprisingly within this third or fourth week of January, as we entering the new year of 2023. As 4 weeks then pass as we entering a new month, which is in February. And as you see, the Dow Jones had a good solid gain within a whole week, because the 6 days is definitely close to a week. And as you see, as of today, the Dow Jones of the stock market, of the stocks exchange, had a ending day 6-day losing streak, as the federal decision looms at a federal meeting, which is Wednesday. And we're going to see if they're going to continue to increase the interest rate or decrease it. From according to reports, I was scrolling down of a news article. They saying potentially they're going to decrease the interest rate, because they seeing a increasing they seeing the increasing of the decreasing of the inflation. So we'll see what the markets react to that, because the markets react to what's globally, financially, data statistically, or what the Federal Reserve of the decision of they're gonna make. So this upcoming Wednesday decision meeting of the Federal Reserve, we're gonna see if they gonna continue to decrease the inflation, right, decrease the interest rate. I meant to say of the slowly decreasing of the easing of the inflation, and we'll see how the markets react. If it's gonna react on a positive note or a negative note, so we'll see about that within the next coming days. But as of right now, you have the U.S. stocks in lower, snapping its 6-day winning streak as the Fed's decision looms. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying that I just brought out of this recent news that just came out. Because the Dow Jones, the Wall Street has closed, which is like about 4 o'clock over there, Eastern time over there in the northeast, with the northeast region over there in New York City. As you has right here, the Dow Jones ends lower of the U.S. stocks, snapping a 6-day winning streak as Fed's decision looms, which is coming this Thursday. And see if the how the stocks and markets react of this Federal Reserve meeting. If they're gonna continue to increase the federal tax interest rates, or they're gonna decrease it. And we're gonna see how the markets react to that. If it's gonna react to a negative gains or positive gains. So we'll see into that. But as of right now, the markets close way lower today, as it end a 6-day winning streak comes to an end. So we'll see what the markets react within tomorrow and all went through Wednesday and through the rest of this week as well too. As we wrap up January 2023, as we entering in February 2023. And so with that, once again, hopefully this lesson was edifying. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakar Kadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the 4 corners of the globe, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom.